Alright guys, today is the start of Holy Week here in the Philippines. Today is Palm Sunday. I'm up here at the Immaculate Church of Conception up here in Angeles City. For those that don't know what Palm Sunday is, Palm Sunday, the Christian belief is that Jesus entered into Jerusalem on the back of a donkey, and as he was entering, the people of Jerusalem laid down palms in front of him as his triumphant entry into Jerusalem. So like I said, today is Palm Sunday, and I'm going to show you guys what goes on here Palm Sunday up here at this church, and pretty much most of the churches here in the Philippines. Alright, this is the front entrance here into the Immaculate Conception Church here. You can see like all kinds of stuff going on here. It's what they do is they'll sell these palm branches. I'll show you. But the kids and the women and the children turn around and they sell the palm branches. You buy them, go inside. They're not very much. I'll have to ask one of them. And you'll go inside here, sit through the service, and then what they do is they go to the front of the church. The priest will bless it, take it home, and you hang it up in your house for the whole week of Holy Week here. There's some of them right there. They have little scripture on it, little pictures on them. This woman here is selling sambagisa. It's a national flower. Yes, it's very, it smells excellent. We usually buy a few of these, take them home, and put them in the house. This woman here is sitting here making them, and then she'll sell them. Palaspas. Palaspas, that's what it's called, palaspas. Here's a big working station here. Got the kids out selling the palaspas also. Alright guys, so I've wandered back here to the back of the church area here, and these are carts, and from my understanding later on this week they'll put statues on this. There's a word for it, I'll have to look it up, but they'll put a statue on these of either, I don't know, Mary, Jesus, and then what they do is they push these through the street and people follow behind it and stuff, and they actually go all over. They'll go all over the streets that day. But yeah, like I said, I just stumbled upon these, and that's what I was told. Alright guys, so this building right here is a little building here. You go in, light a candle, say a prayer, and you can put prayers inside these little areas in here. But yeah, let's go in and check it out. Alright guys, yeah, as you can see over my shoulder right now, people are starting to line up for the next service. Like I said, this goes on all day long here. People come and they'll wait for the service to end, and then the next group of people will go in. Yeah. So everybody here is waiting to go in for the next mass. Take a look, parking lot's full. We're parked back in there somewhere. Yeah, the parking lot's full. All the motorbikes lined up. Alright guys, what's going on right now is people are starting to enter into the church. They had the priest put holy water on the palaspas, and like I said, they'll take it home, they'll hang it up for the week, but that's what's going on right now. Alright guys, yeah, I'm not going to go inside the church here while the service is going on. If you want to see what the actual church looks like here, I have another video up if you want to check it out. But yeah, I'm not going to go in, not today, and do any filming. I think it's people's own time with themselves inside the church, paying their respects to God. Alright guys, yeah, like I said, this whole week is Holy Week, runs all week. I'm going to do my best to go out and do some filming all over. A lot of Philippine culture you'll see this week, how they celebrate this week. But yeah, I'm going to wrap it up for today, and you guys just stay tuned for more of Holy Week this week in the Philippines. Alright, talk to you later.